Hi everyone, welcome to another video announcement. As you know, we're in the middle of Module 2, Part 1, and we've been talking about service learning, how that might relate to critical thinking and problem-solving skills, so hopefully you've been able to put all of that together in our discussion boards, and thank you for those who have posted that on that already. I look forward to continuing to interact with those as the week continues. Don't forget, there's also a journal you need to complete about how far you've gotten on your service learning and how you're feeling about the process so far. And then another assignment that will remain open for the next few weeks, but is an important one to complete, is the service learning confirmation assignment. That is not worth any points, but it is kind of a pass-fail part of our course. I do need to know where you're doing your service learning, so if it is with an organization that's in OrgSync, just let me know that by submitting a statement to that effect in the feedback or student comment box for the assignment. And then if you're working with a nonprofit that's not related to OrgSync through Boise State, then you do need to fill out the student-initiated service learning form, as I mentioned last week, and get that signed by the supervisor for your project or paper, for your hours that you'll do, and then scan that and upload that to the service learning assignment as well. Coming up in Module 2, Part 2, we're going to be talking a little bit about the academic side of your service learning. That is the focus of your project or the thesis that you might be writing for your research paper. So this is kind of just taking a first stab at that. We'll be looking at research methods and how you've been able to do research in your other upper division classes and kind of bringing those skills together as a group so that we can share those, how we might go about writing a thesis. And so we'll have information on all those topics in the next module that's opening as well. You should have been working on your capstone assignment timeline. But if you haven't started that, that will be due by the end of Module 2, Part 2. So you'll need to find that in the course resources, or it also is linked in the next module that opens tomorrow, Module 2, Part 2. So you can find it there as well. So those are the main things. Hopefully you have a very good idea of where you're going to be doing your service learning by now, if not already have started your hours with the nonprofit that you want to work with. If you're still having problems or trouble getting that figured out, please email me or call me and let me know so we can talk about that. Remember, you are required to serve at least 15 hours with a nonprofit, and if you do choose a project that you're creating for the nonprofit, the hours you spend in creating that project can be used towards that 15 hours total. If you're deciding to write a research paper on a topic related to the nonprofit you're working with, the 15 hours that you volunteer will be in addition to the research and writing of that paper. So just keep that in mind as you're making your choice. And as I said, if you have questions about that or the process, please let me know. Hope you're having a good week, and if I don't hear from you otherwise, I will definitely see you online. Thanks.